So to start, we're going to take off these 4 bolts, which are a 15mm. And for this side, it uses a T45. We used a 6-inch extension to the T45.
Maybe metal hammer.
So not that this drive shaft needed to be replaced yet. The boot was torn, probably from overextending. Has a ways to go. But another thing is this has some bends around it, and that shows us that it was hyperextending while wheeling and bending that, which can eventually lead to a failure. Keep her around in case we need her. And we're using that 1.25" to get the pinion nut off.
Tell me when.
And we used the same 1.25" to get the transfer case side off.
Grab a rag, Abby. Pretty easy. I don't know if it's gonna like it. Didn't like.
Alright, we got some red Loctite on these guys.